হ্যালো ম্যাডাম, আমাকে কি শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, শোনা যাচ্ছে স্যার।
আবারও শুরু করি নাকি?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, শুরু করেন।
ওকে ওকে। Assalamualaikum. I am Shariful Islam. I am from Block of Sundavan Girls High School, Administration, Bangladesh. My project is medicinal plants. Madam, are you listening?
হ্যাঁ, yes
Are
sir.
you hear me?
হ্যাঁ, yes sir.
Okay, okay. At first, I share my project. My student very eagerly waiting. Okay, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ, yes sir.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Nusrat Jahan from Katpur in Bangladesh. Now I want to discuss about our school. Our school name is Barakha Chandrapan Girls High School. It is founded in 1973 in Katpur district of Bangladesh. Today's our topic is medicinal plants. Now we are sharing our project medicinal plants. Thank you very much. Hi, I am Lakshana. I am from Katpur district. Now I am project. In this picture, we can see a kind of medicinal plant. The name of this plant is Tulsi. Tulsi plant is very effective in preventing colds. Regular using of Tulsi increases the performance of the plant. That's it. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. I am Sabitul Islam Inta. I am from Chatpur in Bangladesh. Here I am sharing my project. This is aloe vera. The benefits of aloe vera. This medicine is very effective in increasing the brilliance of the skin. This medicine is very effective in solving stomach problems. Thank you everyone.
Ma'am, are you hear me?
হ্যাঁ, yes sir.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Assalamualaikum. I am Fabia from Katpur district. We can see a picture in her hand. This picture. This is a medicinal plant. Its name is moringa. Now I am discuss about this. This is very effective. This plant is very effective. High blood pressure. Thank you a lot.
বলো।
Hello everyone. I am Alina Mehnat. I am from Chatpur district. Hello everyone. My name is Alina Mehnat. I am from Chatpur district. Medicinal plant's name is Thankun. Now I am describing this ingredient is very effective in preventing various stomach problems. It is quite effective in increasing digestive energy. Thank you very much. This plant is very effective in preventing stomach illness, blood and diarrhea. Thank you very much. Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muyasar. I am from Jashpur district. Today our project is benefits of medicinal plants. Now I am discuss a medicinal plant called Pudina Pata. The common name is mint. It is valued by the snail. Mint means some equipment are plants some of the English names. In Arabic literature, it is called mushroom. It has many users in making various foods and medicines and perfumes. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is Bodhul Ahmad. My name is Bodhul Ahmad. Assalamualaikum. My name is Bodhul Ahmad. Common name is tree. It is an acorn tree belongs to the family areas. This medicinal plant is also known as neem, vapor, tahar, etc. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. I am Humayra Jahan Tanha. I am from Jashpur district in Bangladesh. We can see picture. We can see a picture of a medicinal plant. The name of the medicinal plant is Cornulata. Now I will talk about the benefit of this plant. This plant is very effective in relieving flower, abdominal pain and wounds. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I am Tahrirudul Ifti and you can see a banner. This is a Shotoguli. This EDC astros as a tonic. This scientific plays an effective role in high blood pressure. Thank you very much. I am Abdullah. I am from Turkey. In the picture, we can see a toothbrush. The brush is scientific made for toilet. Now I am sharing the benefits of toothbrush. Quite effective. In the role of skin disease prevention Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today, in this picture, we can see now I have two benefits. What is this benefit? Rajaputra is very effective in relieving diarrhea. It plays an effective role in relieving various wounds in the hands and feet. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I'm from now I'm going to share a part of my project. In this picture we can see a choba flower. This flower is very essential for our health. This choba is quite useful in carcinoma tablet. It is very effective in relieving jaundice. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. My name is Taskia Janat. I am from Jashpur in Bangladesh. The picture we can see represents the heart is very effective in stopping blooding. The heart is very effective in showing areas the heart is very Thank you very much everyone. Assalamualaikum. I am Kasmi Sultana. I am I am from Satpur in Bangladesh. This is Urdu. Today I will my discuss this medicine is very effective in living in. Thank you for your
My name is Tanzil Akhtar. I come from Kanpur district. I am ready a part of project. The name of the project is part of Snakes. Is a quick activity called code. This medicine are worth a various of problems. Thank you very much.
In this picture, we can see a medicinal plant. Its name is Calcutta, and it is a part of our project. It is very useful for black hair and this plant is very effective for awareness and for and medicine. That's what I have to say about alopecia. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Oh,
Are you hearing me?
yes.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Nirmal Lamia from Chatpur district. In this picture, we can see butter seeds. Now I will describe the importance of butter seeds. It may control our sugar blood and also our body atoms. That's it. Thank you. Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I am Maimuna. I am from Bangladesh in Chatpur district. It's a picture in plant, medicinal plant. This medicinal plant name is Pathology. Now I discuss about this plant is very effective in taking problems like sugar or fibrosis. Thank you everyone. Hello everyone, I am Abhiya. I am from Nagpur district in Bangladesh. In this picture, we can see a medicinal plant. This medicinal plant's name is Irokam. It is very effective in relieving diabetes. It is very effective in relieving diabetes.
We can see a picture. Picture name is red. The name is Picture. The leaf, fire, food, water, these are
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tanha. I am from Kanpur in Bangladesh. Now I am sharing this is turmeric. Turmeric, Bengali means blue. Turmeric and especially now I discuss turmeric. Turmeric and especially its most active compound perfume has many scientific proven health benefits such as the potential to improve heart health and prevent against Alzheimer's and cancer. Its potency in planning and research. It may also help improve symptoms of depression and arthritis. That's it. Assalamualaikum.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My student Sharon already shared the project. Please study your sharing.
Okay, sir.
The student very eagerly waiting for your sharing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum. I am Shahin Akhtar, ISA coordinator from Bangladesh. Our topics is medicinal plant. Today's my session is presented Ithan Sarkar. Please, Ithan Sarkar, start your presentation.
Good noon and best wishes to all. I am Ithan Sarkar, a student of Ikuria High School, Kapashie, Gazipur, Bangladesh. Thanks to the school authorities for giving me the opportunity to present an international event. I hope everyone is well. Respected teachers and friendly students of Balakhan Chandraban Girls High School from Chatpur, Kumilla. Here is joined our respected Ma'am Shahina Akhtar, ISA coordinator of our school. Also joined all of our respected teachers from our collaboration school. Joined with us Shariful Islam sir and others. Welcomed my heartiest friends of the students of our collaboration school. Today our collaboration topic is medicinal plant. In this regard, the students of our school will present the mentioned presentation. Now I would like to invite our two friends named Nadia and Iman. They will discuss that. To all.
Hello, I am Inan. Lead scientific name Azadirachta indica. Health benefits. The subcontinent's well-known leaf is spring. Spring and the world's best as an air purifier. The tree cures many diseases. Blood cleansers, disinfectants, skin diseases, acne. Worms also get rid of wounds, inflammation of the body, allergies and bad health. Stops bleeding of teeth and strengthens jaw. Hello, I am Inan. Bashok. Scientific name Justica adatoda. Health benefits. Bashok is known as an expectorant for activating the salivary glands of the airways. Bashok leaves extract, juice or syrup liquefies mucus and helps in excretion. It is especially useful in colds, coughs and inflammatory diseases of the respiratory tract. This plant has many benefits to get rid of water germs, swelling of hands and feet, and brightening of skin color. Moringa, scientific name Moringa oleifera. Health benefits, able to meet vitamin C needs of our body. Moringa leaves are rich in protein and calcium, which are beneficial for human bodies. Sajane data also works well to eliminate blindness. Sajane leaves cure anemia, keep the heart well and help control high blood pressure, controls diabetes by controlling blood sugar level. Amla, scientific name Phyllanthus emblica. Health benefits, Amloki leaf juice is an antidote and tonic for diarrhea. The fruit is rich in vitamin C and is a fruit of the trifola. Amla fruit juice is especially beneficial in liver, stomach, ailments, indigestion and cough. Amla cures anemia, jaundice, skin diseases, diabetes, hair loss, etc. Black Nigella seed, scientific name Nigella sativa. Health benefits, black cumin oil is very useful in curing headache. Applying Kalidira oil on the head reduces hair loss a lot. Black cumin helps control blood pressure, eliminates facial acne. It helps to increase the efficiency of the brain manifold, cancer prevention, anorexia, diarrhea, body aches, sore throat, and toothache. Spearmint, scientific name, Mentha spicata. Health benefits. Mint contains an ingredient called monotorpin, which prevents cancer of the breast, liver, and pancreas. Regular play protects against lung, colon, and skin cancer. It is very effective against irritable bowel syndrome and chronic indigestion. Peppermint also regulates muscle contraction in the colon. Mint leaves are also very useful in curing head and stomach pain. Arjun, scientific name Terminalia arjuna. Health benefit. Arjuna bark is used to relieve heart diseases. Arjuna tree bark is well crushed and taken with sugar and milk every morning to reduce heart disease and heart rate. Crushed fruit lowers blood pressure, acne as a diuretic, and acts as a liver cirrhosis tonic. When the fine powder of Arjuna bark is mixed with honey and applied on the face, the spots of nectar disappear. Medicinal aloe vera, scientific name aloe vera. Health benefits. Aloe vera is a plant that is very useful in beautiful as well as it has a role in maintaining health. Dense, slippery juice from the leaves and ineffective remedy for constipation. It is used to treat jaundice, leukemia, equine disease, burns.
Thank you, Inan. Sadia, start your presentation.
Hello, I am Sadia. Marigold leaf. Scientific name Togates erecta. Health benefits. The juice of leaves of marigold tree is very useful to stopping the bleeding of the cut skin, drying and cuticles, and as a disinfectant. The juice of this leaf is quite effective as a fungicide and addiction to air dripping disease. Marigold extract regulates stomach growth and enhances immunity against cancer. Polybasil, scientific name Ocimum sanctum. Health benefit. Basil has many medicinal uses. Basil leaves have been used for various problems like cold, cough, chills, etc. Since ancient time, good result can be obtained by drinking basil leaf juice and honey together for any problem caused by cold and flu. And Indian pennywood, scientific name Cantella asiatica. Centella asiatica. Health benefits. Thankuni is also used to treat stomach ailments, indigestion, and diarrhea. In children, it has a lot of vitamin C, so it enhances immunity. Regularly drinking the juice of Thankuni leaves increases the freshness of the skin. Scarlet gourd, scientific name Coccinia grandis. Health benefits. The extra of the stem of leaves of this plant is widely used in the treatment of diabetes. Its extract is used in the treatment of cold, fevers, happani, and fainting. Its leaf is very useful in skin disease. Thank you.
Thank you friends for your excellent presentation. Now I would like to invite our friend named Oiti to present her live session presentation. Thanks to all.
Everyone, my social duty is my friend Khaled Sam, medicinal friend, and describing the benefit of medicinal friend. In English, Tanarose in scientific class Rosa sciences. This is the benefit of blood purified. In English, Scarlet Gold is in scientific Kina grandis. This is the benefit of diabetes. In English, black moringa seed in scientific moringa seed. This is the benefit of cancer. In English, moringa in scientific moringa oleifera. This is the benefit of higher blood pressure. In English, marigold leaf scientific Tugetas ireta. This is the benefit of boost immunity. In English, Bhashaka in scientific justice adhertudax. This is the benefit of cold and cough. In English, medicinal aloe vera in scientific aloe vera. This is the benefit of skin care, jaundice, burn. In English, neem in scientific Zandira in indica. This is the benefit of blood clear. In English, Indian penwood in scientific citizen. This is the benefit of stomach ailment and diarrhea. In English, holy shock in scientific saint. This is the benefit of cold and cough. In English, Arjun in scientific terminalia Arjuna. This is the benefit of lower blood pressure. In English, parmint in scientific means bicida. This is the benefit of cancer liver. In English, anga in scientific Piranthus umbilicus. This is the benefit of jaundice and skin disease. Thank you everyone for listening my presentation.
Thank you Oiti for your excellent presentation. Now I will invite our two friends named Lima and Mim. They will show us how to use the medicinal plants. Thanks to all.
Hello, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ yes, yes sir. Sir, our session is over.
Many thanks and gratitude to all of you who have been with us abroad for a long time. Finally, we want to health and comfort. I humbly call up Shaina ma'am to deliver her speech. Now I say goodbye.
Yeah. Sir, our session is over.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for a very good presentation, everyone. Thank you very much. Our student very enjoyed your presentation. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Our student is same to you. So see you again.
Okay, thank you very
Okay,
much.
goodbye.
Okay, see you in the others project. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.